profitable businesses that you can actually start in Ghana as a foreigner in small scale and actually make good profit. Hello you guys, and welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. On this channel I talk about everything relocation, starting a business, living, working and doing your business here in Ghana. If you like content around that, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 lucrative business that you can do in Ghana and make profit as a foreigner. So if you are somebody that has been looking for what to do in Ghana to make profit, then sit back and watch this video to the very end, because I am going to be explaining to you businesses that are actually going to be profitable for you, or that are in demand in Ghana that you can actually dive right in as a foreigner. So let's get right into the video. Number 1 is going to be beauty business. Now in Ghana, everyone wants to look beautiful, whether the male, whether the female, and it is a general thing. Humans generally wants to look beautiful, they want to look appealing, they want to look attractive and all of that. So if you are a foreigner that is looking for a business idea to actually jump on, then you can go ahead and consider the beauty industry. Now whether it is salon business for male or salon business for women, or whether it is cosmetic business, it is very, very profitable because people want to look good, and so they will definitely patronize you. All you have to do is position yourself very well as somebody that has solutions for them in that particular beauty industry, and you are going to be selling out. Number 2 I'm going to recommend is going to be errand and laundry business. Now you guys, a lot of people right now around the world are sourcing for some things, especially when it comes to errands and when it comes to laundry. Now if you are somebody that can actually build this into a business, you are going to be cashing out full time. People need people to send on an errands, like they can have things that they are doing that they don't want to leave at the moment to go and attend to other things, or to go to that particular errand. So they will just look for somebody that they can send to do that particular errand. For example, it can be pickup, it can be deliveries, it can be, going to the markets for them to buy stuffs and all of that. If you have the capacity to start this as a business, you will definitely be cashing out. Also with laundry business, people are actually sourcing out laundry, keeping their environment clean, keeping their homes clean, keeping their clothes clean and all of that. So if you can position yourself as a business person that is willing to actually take on this business to another level, which people have definitely not seen in Ghana before, then you are going to be cashing out. Now one thing about all of these businesses is going to be your positioning that is going to help you to be successful. The way you position the business, you don't have to come regular, like the regular everyday kind of business, right? Even if somebody is doing this business at the moment in Ghana, there is a way you can also position yourself, and you will be able to make good profits, even undermining if the business is saturated or if the business is already existent right in Ghana. Number 3 I'm going to talk about is going to be content creation. Now in Ghana, this is something that a lot of people don't know about. You don't have to be a content creator directly. You don't have to create content on the internet, which you can if you want to, and you still make money. But of course you can teach people how to do this if you are good with it. If you've done it before, you have practicals, you have been making money from it, you can actually teach people how to become content creators and actually make money for yourself, right? If you don't want to be a content creator directly, you can teach people how to become it. Now if you want to be a content creator, there are a lot of content around Ghana here that is going to actually give you money, because a lot of people want to know what is it that is making Ghana, right? People want to know why Ghana is booming this period. People want to know why foreigners are actually moving to Ghana, what cost of things are in Ghana, cost of living, cost of rent, cost of foodstuff, kind of business they can do in Ghana. Like a lot of information about Ghana that people out there that are not in Ghana are actually asking for. So if you can position yourself as a content creator to actually put out all of this information out there, you will be able to make money, especially if you choose the platform that you want to use wisely. One thing is to be a content creator, another thing is to choose the platform that you want to become a content creator for very, very wisely, because every social media platform pay and work differently. So you want to know the one that you are going for, so that you will not end up wasting all of your effort creating those content and you are not making money. So content creation is another thing that is going to give you money as a foreigner in Ghana. Another thing that I love that you can actually do as a foreigner to make money in Ghana is mini exportation business. Now Ghana has a lot of raw materials. They have shea butter in abundance, they have cocoa, they have a lot of raw materials that the world is actually needing, right? So if you have connects, or if you have the ability to look for companies that are in need of these raw materials and then you export them in little quantities depending on your capacity or your startup capacity, then you will be on your way to making good money, because trust me, there is a lot of demand for these things out there in the world, right? And there is a lot of profit to be made in these things out there in the world. Okay, you guys, another one I'm going to talk about, but I am not going to say a lot of foreigners should jump on it, is, except maybe you've already lived in Ghana for a period of time and you know how their system works, then you can go ahead and start up this particular business. But first of all, you need to be very discreet, you need to know the environment, you need to know what is working, you need to have structures for this particular business, but it is very, very profitable. And this business is food business. One thing about Ghanaians, or one thing about people or humans, is that they will continue to eat, right? They eat today, they will still eat tomorrow. So whether it is in the snacks industry or whether it is in the food industry you want to go into, food industry generally has profit, and you can actually make good profit right here in Ghana if you establish it very well. If you have good positioning and structures also on ground, you will be able to make good amount of money. Now don't forget I said that you need to understand the structure that works when it comes to the food. You need to understand their culture, you need to know what is in demand, you need to know how to position yourself and the level you want to start up with, right? That is going to also determine how well you go, how successful, and how much you are likely to make when it comes to making money in the food industry here in Ghana. I hope I've been able to teach you a thing or two today about doing business or making money here in Ghana. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to do a one-on-one guide for you, teaching you how to actually come and live, relocate to Ghana, or start up your own business in Ghana, kindly send me an email message, and my email address is going to be in the description box. Of course, I charge a fee for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.